Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Halifax Bank app. To do so, firstly, go to your app store. Once the app store opens, then tap on the search icon which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, on the search box located at the top, type in Halifax Bank. Then tap on search. Now, tap on Halifax Mobile Banking. Then tap on the Get icon. While it gets downloaded, I would like to tell you more about the Halifax Bank. The Halifax Bank is a British bank operating as a trading division of Bank of Scotland, itself a wholly owned subsidiary of Lloyds Banking Group. It's one of the UK's largest providers of residential mortgages and savings accounts. Overall, Halifax Bank has a significant presence in the UK banking sector, offering a wide range of financial products and services to its customers. Now that the app is fully installed, you may tap on the open icon to open the app. This is how you can easily download the Halifax Bank app. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.